Okay, I've squared it up on this palette table of mine. Now what I'm going to do, and the reason behind this is I want the 3 blocks is narrower than the parallels. So I want to do the top surface and the 4 edges in one setup to ensure that I get this thing 100% square on all the planes except the bottom. Now the bottom, once I've done both of them in the same setup, I'm going to flip them around, put them down on these faces, down onto the table, bolt them both down, and cut both of them in one setup to ensure that this thickness will be the same. Now on the sides here, the one side I'm going to remove 0.5 millimeter, and the other side I'm going to remove 1 millimeter. Now the side that I'm going to remove 0.5 millimeter will be after the setup. When I do the 2 pieces in parallel, I'm going to flip them with a 1 millimeter cut facing the bottom and a 0.5 millimeter facing the top, and then deck off the last 0.5 millimeter to ensure that those surfaces are at 100% even, the same height, and that all the faces are 100% square. Now this is the best setup that I could come up with to ensure 100% that I can get it 100% square. Other than that, I don't trust the vise because of jaw lift and everything. You can cut it 100 times and you'll get 100 different results. Now this is bolted down on a table that's been fly cut, so it's 100% flat on top of 1 to 3 blocks, which is 100% flat. So this is my best chance of getting these parallels 100% square. So I hope it makes sense. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to edge fine from the center hole so that I can get the 2 edges and the 2 sides up to size, and the center will be my reference on both these units. Okay, that's center. Okay, I've got the two pieces mounted flat on the table. Now I've gone around all the sides, all the ends, to find the lowest spot and use that as a reference for milling these pieces flat. Clamp it here on the sides. Got a clamp through the middle to keep the two parts together. And then one strap clamp on the other side to press down in the middle. So now I'm ready to take the top. Right, they're done. And they're right on size. Perfect match pair. Any direction that you want to put them, there's no steps or anything. They're perfectly square as well on the edges. There are these things you can use as a fence. You can bolt it down onto the table and then square up your material against it if you want to do a production run. If you want to just raise something off the table, to drill, to do whatever you need to do, these things will come in very, very handy. Now I must be honest, it took me 2 days to make these because I've taken a lot of care to get them 100% precise, 100% square and on size. So rather take your time on something like this because you don't want to land up with a disaster. So I hope you enjoyed this build. Until next time, cheers.